Good afternoon. Please allow me to present myself. I am Rick Lee, the Director of U.S. Bus Sales in Eastern United States. As a born and raised Michigander, I am honored to join you all here today to mark the delivery of the first electric school buses to the great state of Michigan, having been financed by the mitigation funding of VW. I'd like to recognize in attendance today Governor Whitmer, Mr. Marquise, Quebec Assistant Deputy Minister of International Affairs, Martine Hebert, Delegate of Quebec to the Midwest, and all fellow Quebec and State of Michigan representatives. Without your support, the future for zero emissions electric vehicles would not be possible. The award of 11 buses is the result of a fierce process that was driven by the pure desire to be part of a cleaner future for the State of Michigan Association of Pupil Transportation, also known as MAPT. I'd like to personally congratulate the MAPT to purchasing schools for these new additions to their fleet, offering benefits to all. We at Lion Electric recognize the effort and the commitment that the MAPT and participating schools work to secure the VW mitigation funding. While making history as the first public school systems in Michigan to operate electric school bus technology in their fleet, to say the least, MAPT is now, more than ever, a pioneer of fleet electrification, one upon which others will draw inspiration from. The path to introduce vehicle electrification is a critical step needed to all. Improved health and air environment, financial savings, and more importantly, simply better for our kids. Lion Electric would like to thank Zeeland Public Schools, Oxford Community Schools, Kalamazoo Public Schools, Gaylord Community Schools, and Three Rivers Community Schools for their trust in electrification and the leader that Lion Electric is in this field, to take the leap and support them in this transition for the greater good. We at Lion Electric are happy to see that MAPT and their member schools believe in a cleaner future as we do, and that the only solution for reaching these goals will include EV technology. 11 buses are a large first purchase initiative, and the school districts more than deserve this recognition as well as other appreciation and applauses. We surely hope that this delivery is the first of many to come, and that our affiliation with MAPT allows the state of Michigan and Lion Electric to become the leaders in electric bus technology. Congratulations again, and thank you very much.